fat one here, I think. 20. This would be the skinny one. 15. 9 is the small one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clean up the passages in this. So we have special drills that we made years ago. So you go down until you hit the stop right there. Make sure it's clean in there. Ooh, it's clean. That's a good sign. We got this one goes down inside of that one. Seems to be clean.
Good news.
That is definitely a plus. And then we have a special hacksaw blade that I made when I was in school. That was one last week.
Always learning.
Yeah. So this here is probably a 9 thou slot. Can you see that slot down there?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is a 15 thou and this is a 20. So I usually open these up so they get more fun. Makes them run worse. We like doing that. Yeah, this is definitely a small one. Kind of tedious. Go in there.
Yeah.
That'll do it every time. Yeah, binding up. There you go. See, it went into that deep.
Mm-hmm.
So you now have a big fat slot in that sucker.
All the more fuel?
Yeah, that's a lot more fuel in there than idle. That transfer slot, that's as you open the throttle up to make it run.
Okay.
It actually has some fuel in there now to run. So that is how you do that. So now this body is ready to be cleaned out and make sure it's good to go. Now the venturi is over here. Now this one here is a relatively big one, but not super big, but so 1 1/16, which is good. 1 1/8 is the biggest they make, so if you look at the cheat sheet you can see which one had what sizes of parts and stuff in it, but that's good. Make sure there's no burrs or anything in it. Feels good. Okay, now this here is our spray nozzle. That needs to be worked on, so I usually put another hole right up here. And we see what size holes these are. So we could go do that over at the mill. Let's go do that. Yeah.
You're an early car. Been an early car.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to fix that one of these years.
Well, after all these days after you get out of school.
Yes, I said years, not days. Alright, let's see. Let's try 43, 46, see what size this is. Ooh, those are big ones. Those are 40. That's 43. 46 thousandths. Tight 46. Alright. Put that in a hole.
Pillow.
Who put that in? It's all lopsided and There we go. Oh, that's one. Cheap ass vise. Where'd you get this piece of crap vise from? Yeah, now it's cracked. Okay, I got a guesstimate where the hole's gonna go. I'm thinking like right there. What do you think?
Works for me.
Looks like it's almost where it belongs. Very important where it goes. Yeah, that's it. Okay, those holes were a very tight 46, like halfway through and then not all the way through.
Okay.
So we're going to go up to a 52 thousandths drill, which is a number 52, or a number 55 drill bit. So that'll be enough fuel in there. This affects how the main jet and the low speed jet work together. The low speed circuit, idle circuit. Mixes the fuel with air. Makes the main jet come in earlier. Basically makes the bike run better. Actually, I usually... Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, you're way off center. Who drilled that damn? Who center punched that thing? Probably the same guy that put the damn thing in there sideways. There you go. Of course, if you want to drill real small holes, you use a big milling machine. Alright, see how it's going to be pretty accurate?
Mm-hmm.
Now you want to go high speed, otherwise it doesn't work right. Crank it up a little bit. Very light pressure. Alright, that's how you do that. Once I figure out what size the center hole is, we didn't need that, did we? Yeah, what size is that thing?
Smaller. Try smaller.
Okay. There. How about
There you go.
that one?
That might work to deburr it.
I think that's too big. We'll go to a 140. Go to 140. There we go. That's 140th that hole. Get a little hand drill here. See, that's a hand drill.
Mm-hmm.
Go like that with it. Get that out of the way. So that cleans out any burrs that are in there. See, that's tight way in there. There it goes. See that mark right there where it's been vibrating against the venturi and heating it up? It pinches it right there. So run the drill, do that. Makes it all one size again. Alright. So let me go back and check our hole size. Make sure we're deburred on that direction.
Cleaning lady's arguing with somebody out there.
That's right. Alright. Now you want to deburr the top of the holes. So usually I just take a little one like that. And I just spin it by hand.
Right.
Drop the drill. Deburrs those holes. And come back with this one over here, which is our final size. Make sure the deburring didn't burr. That's tight, there it goes. Okay. Here's what that looks like.
Smooth.
Smoothie daisy. Give it a good blow job.